Alright, these are the elevators here at the Gayosso Funeral Home in Las Cardenas in San Pedro, Garcia. These are Otis Gen2. Gonna get this left car here. We're here on the lower level. Just waiting for this one to come down. There's the smoke detector up there. It's gonna take forever, so I'm just gonna point this out just in case if anyone's on it. Alright, this is going to be the only ride because these elevators are incredibly busy, and these are Otis Gen2 installed in 2004. So, it's just your really nice Otis Gen2 elevator, along with your fixers. Right there's the indicator. You grab PB. One goes out. Does show his nameplate? Pasa. Just doing it. Alright, there it goes. That's it.